Hello, everyone. Today is August 6, 2018. Now let's take a look at today's Bitcoin performance. Last week, we emphasized that the trend of Bitcoin is not optimistic. Based on the K-line, we can also see that the trend of Bitcoin last week was a unilateral decline. The currency fell from around $8,200 to as low as $6,888 yesterday. As we can see from the K-line of day-line level, yesterday there was the appearance of a cross star. This form indicates that short-term trend may change commonly. We can also see from the KDJ below that the current value of KDJ has been running around 20, which indicates that there is a serious oversell of Bitcoin on the daily line level, so there is also a need for a rebound from the KDJ at this time. At its lowest point yesterday, the currency price touched the support of MA60. $6,900. At the bottom, we also drew a support line, which is the neckline of the W double bottom structure what we mentioned to you when the rise of Bitcoin started this time. Before Bitcoin started the rally, it launched 3 attacks on the neckline. And it wasn't until the third time that it actually broke through the $6,830 level. From this point of view, before the start of this round of rising market, Bitcoin was still very solid and consolidating the bottom, so it should be hard to break the price near $6,830. We can regard this price as an important support level for the current market. So where do you think the bottom should be? Technically, the bargain hunting point should be around $6,830. We made such a support line with the low line between the two bottom areas of the rally again. We can see that the junction of this support line and the W neckline will be on August 9, 2018. So by August 9, 2018, we can consider that the bottom support of Bitcoin at a price of $6,830. Which means that anything close to $6,830 over that period of time is worth bargain hunting. Then after August 9, 2018, as this support line moves up, we need to move the bottom support of Bitcoin up further. That is, if the market starts to rally, the bargain hunting point should be judged according to this support line. Next, we will switch the K-line trend of Bitcoin to the 4-hour level. After the high point of $8,487 in the 4-hour level, the currency has fallen all the way to its present position. In fact, several platforms have been built in the process. We connect the high points of these platforms to form a 4-hour downward pressure line. In the short term, The currency is around $7,100. According to our daily line of judgment, the biggest space for the current price to fall now is around $6,830, which is only $370, a possible drop of about 5%. The high point of the 4-hour pressure line above is around $7,300. So if it goes up today at around $7,100, the highest point will be around $7,300, which is about $200. In other words, if you want to do such a bargain hunting, let's draw a region for the entire fluctuation range of today's Bitcoin price. The lower limit is $6,830. The ceiling is $7,300. You can make your own operation rhythm in this area according to your own preferences. At the 4-hour K line, if the whole currency price still shows a weak and fluctuating trend, and if the currency price wants to break this downward trend line, it can be seen from the point where the bottom support line meets the downward pressure line, which will be generated around 2200 hours on August 10, 2018. That is to say, if the real need for the currency price to continue to consolidate this bottom, investors on the right side of the transaction need to wait until around 2200 hours on August 10 at the latest. That is, you need to wait until the price of the currency breaks the downward pressure line before buying. It's a little bit safer to trade at that time. So what that means is now Bitcoin has down to this point, I think the decline has been reached. But if you want to do a better job with the deal, you should do a low suction based on the two support lines we just mentioned. It is necessary to wait until the currency price is confirmed to break the downward pressure line before buying. That's all, thank you.